You didn't wish.
Good morning, sir.
Take your seat. Asif, आरामରୁ କହିବ ନା। ଜଣକୁ ଭେଟୁଛ।
This is a mock interview. We are training you how to deal with the actual interview board. actually तमे wish करियोनी board को हां actual चुपचाप आसो कोन दुकान में आछो ना ठीक है जी
आदर्श बेहरा।
Yes, sir.
बुझल तो
You are from
I am from Nandapala, Balangir.
Balangir.
जाना ना आओ कर जाओ आसो ना बुझल तो
Sir. May I come in, sir?
I mean,
Good morning, sir.
okay take it
have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
What is your qualification?
Sir, I completed my graduation in mathematics.
But you are not written. You have written math. What math? What is Vedic mathematics?
Sir, in ancient time, Indian in type of Gurukul, they study math in that manner.
Is it that? Nowadays also Vedic maths are taught.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what we are talking? Be comfortable and say, huh? Mathematics. What is the scope of mathematics?
what is the name
Adarsh Behra, sir.
Adarsh Behra. So you are graduated by why you didn't go for a post graduation? You are 2021 graduate.
Sir,
Are you doing anything now?
no, sir. I'm preparing for banking.
Playing cricket. You are playing cricket as what? Bowler or batsman?
Some all-rounder. Both bowling and batting, sir. All-rounder.
As a captain, who is a better captain? Whether the Tendulkar is a good captain or Saurav Ganguly is a good captain?
Sir, I think Tendulkar is a good captain.
Why?
Sir,
He lost so many matches. Almost all matches he lost under his test and cricket captainship.
sir, the way he captain his team is, I think, better than Saurabh, sir.
How?
He
What is a captain role? To win the matches or play for himself?
to win the matches.
So how many matches he won? He lost everything, so he was removed from the captainship.
At the time, sir, the circumstances is not according to him. The bowling team and the batting is not pretty much strong as compared to the opponent team.
What is the weight of that cricket ball?
Sir,
Abhi cricket ball, what is the weight of the cricket ball?
sorry, sir, I don't know.
What is the difference between that white ball and a red ball?
Sir, white ball basically
Only
white ball,
color or anything else?
no, sir. White ball played in limited over cricket, but red ball played in test cricket.
Why you are thinking of joining a bank? Why not other jobs?
Sir, first is exam process. Banking exam process is quite quite quick and
You
fair.
are trying since 2021. In between, you didn't try any other government job or any other private job. If bank job, then why you are not trying private sector bank job?
And no, sir, first priority is government sector. Then
Why? What is the beauty of a government sector? Government sector bank. Why it is called government sector bank?
Sir, in public sector bank, government ownership is more than 50%. That's why it's called public sector bank or government bank.
If it is less than 50%, it will be told as private bank.
Yes, sir. If government ownership is less than 50%, then it's public sector. It's private
Do
sector.
that public sector bank and private sector bank have different type of business.
Almost similar type of business, but public sector bank has to done some business like private sector lending and social inclusion. This type of thing has to done by public sector.
Why it is necessary to have private sector? Why?
Sir, priority sector are the sector that are important for economy, but they are neglected by, but they are underserved by our banking sector. That's why it's necessary.
Since when private sector advance started?
Yes, sir.
Since which year private sector advance started? Can you tell us?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Acha. Do you know what is the percent of the loan to be given to agriculture?
Yes, sir, it's 18% of NDTL.
Of
For NDTL, net demand.
NDTL.
Net
What
demand
is
and
that
time liability.
NDTL?
NDTL refers to net demand and time liability. This is the person of banking. This is the person of bank which they used to give loan.
NDTL, what is demand loan? What is term loan? What is term deposit? What is that?
Sir, term deposit are the deposit that customer kept in bank for a certain period of time, like long term, like 6 years, 7 years, or like a certain fixed time. And demand deposit are the deposit when the customer at any time they can withdraw.
Have you had a small finance bank and payment bank?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the two?
Sir, the first difference is payment bank cannot give loan, but small finance bank can give small loan to agriculture in small industry at in various sector. And sir, second difference is payment bank. Second difference is sir, their capital. For opening a payment bank, bank need 100 crore as initial capital, but for small finance bank it is 200 crore.
Since you from your mathematics background,
Yes, sir.
what is the contribution of India to the world regarding mathematics?
Sir, first contribution is zero.
Zero means nothing. No?
What
What is the value of zero?
Sir, zero itself has
What
no
is the
value.
value of zero?
Sir, zero has place value. Itself has no value, but it has place value. If we add 1 with 0, then it become 10. If we add another 0, it become 100. That's why. And zeros are complete our number system. Before adding 0, our number system is like 1 to up to 9. After adding 0, it's become a circular like 1 to 0 to 9, and adding 0, it become 10, then 11, then it's increased to infinite.
Okay.
Others.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by debit card?
Sir, debit card is provided by bank to customer to withdraw their account balance from any ATM, or they can use it for online shopping, etc.
What is a credit card?
Credit card is also provided by bank, but it has some extra facility, like if you have no amount in your account, if you want to buy something beyond your money in your account, you can buy by taking credit from bank.
By getting credit from bank. What is a prepaid card?
Prepaid card are like, first you have to add money in it, then after that you can spend by using it.
What do you mean by MPC, Monetary Policy Committee?
Monetary Policy Committee is a committee of RBI, which they regulate our repo rate, reverse repo rate, and bank rate and other repo rate to maintain inflation and our monetary value.
But maintain inflation
Means
means
government has target inflation to 4 plus minus 2%. RBI has to keep inflation rate in between them. That.
recently there is a meeting of this MPC.
Yes.
What is the-
Sir, I'm not cover all full details, but I cover repo rate. It's decreased by 0.25% to 5.25%.
What will be its impact?
Sir, by decreasing repo rate, the loan of bank become cheaper, and they will lend it to the customer at a cheaper rate. This will increase the money flow and overall the market growth of the economy. Sir.
Now tell me, who is the governor of RBI now?
Sir, Mr. Sanjay Manotra, sir, is governor of RBI.
Who was the governor before him?
Mr. Shaktikanta Das, sir.
What is doing now, right now? Where he is located? What is his position right now?
He is now principal advisor to PMs.
Good. That's one thing I would like to know from you. Recently, India has some issues, some tussle with USA on certain grounds.
Yes.
What are they?
Sir, first thing is tariff, sir. USA impose highest tariff on India, it is 50%. Now in the world, USA impose highest tariff on India only, sir. Hmm? Highest tariff, sir, 50%. Before that, say they
50% in two parts it is there.
25% first, and for 25% buying Russian oil. That's why they impose 50% on India.
So what is its impact on Indian economy?
Sir, by doing this, Indian export to USA become difficult for Indian exporter to export USA because of tariff, and the rate of Indian goods will be increased in USA market. That's why their importer will choose other economy to buy goods. This will impact our economy, our exports.
You are talking about the NDTL.
Yes, sir.
NDTL.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir,
Net demand and
time liability.
timeline.
Hmm.
So which is called the assets and the liability for the bank.
Sir, customer deposit are liability for bank, and the loan and advances they give to customer are asset for bank.
Loan and advance are assets for the bank.
Assets for the bank.
The deposits
Deposit are liability for the bank.
So how sir was asking that agriculture percentage 18%.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
18% of NDTL of.
Huh.
Are you not confused? You yourself you have told it is a loan, assets. But here you are telling NDTL. NDTL means what? Net demand and time liability.
Yes, sir.
So how it is related? How loan is related to liability? So how much deposit is like that? You are not confused whether you are talking about ANBC? ANBC?
Yes, sir.
18% of ANBC you are confused with that or what?
I
There is no
think
relation from agriculture and NDTL. NDTL is different thing. Now, whether you are wondering.
yes, sir. I think I switch between NDTL and ANBC.
This is purely opposite, na?
Mm-hmm.
This is liability and that is asset. Okay. So a priority sector, agriculture is one of the priority sector. Why these sectors are called priority sector?
Sir, this sector are important for our economy, but they are underserved in recent time. That's why they have to extra finance. We have to give them extra finance. That's why they are a priority sector.
You know about SARFAESI Act?
Yes, sir.
SARFAESI.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, when bank gives loan to someone, then they have to keep some collateral on behalf of loan. If the loan get NPA, then the bank can the bank can sell all the mortgages or collateral by SARFAESI Act, by using SARFAESI Act.
Can you expand the term SARFAESI?
Sorry, sir, I can't
When did this act was passed?
remember. Can I guess, sir? I think it's 2002.
Right? 2002. Well, I think this SARFAESI Act is not applicable.
Sir, in agricultural loan, yes, sir, in agricultural loan, SARFAESI Act is not acting.
Agricultural loan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, is in agricultural loan.
For agricultural loan, sometimes the house is taken as a mortgage. What is the agricultural loan? Well, mortgage is taken as a collateral. his own house is given as mortgage. So Surveys Act is applicable here or not?
Sir,
The bank can attach this property?
I think it is not applicable in any kind of agricultural loan, sir. I'm not confirmed, but I think it is not applicable in any kind of agricultural loan. Agricultural loan.
What is the difference between prime security and collateral security?
Sir, prime security are the security for which the loan is actually given. For agricultural loan, like for any shop loan or any grocery loan, the shop owner purchase all kind of grocery or things that which he sell. These products are primary security, and for this, if bank asks for like the shop, the property or shop or the gold they deposit on bank, these are called secondary collateral securities.
House is taken as security.
High security security is collateral security.
Okay. So in case of a crop loans,
Yes.
what is the prime security? Prime security?
Sir, the agricultural product like in rice, like in paddy pellet rice, it's wheat or anything that is grows.
Good. Okay. Standing crop.
Standing
The
crops.
standing crop is the prime security.
Prime
security. Okay, good. Okay.
Good.
Okay, confused हो गया ना otherwise
Thank
it's
you.
okay.
I am done.
The NPTEL tackling confused हो
Otherwise,
it's okay. Initially के बात के
Sir, past interview थिला तो सीधे
हाँ ठीक है
very
very
good.
good
Fine evening. Just keep yourself updated. It will help. All the best.
थैंक यू सर. सर टाइट हमने